Hello everyone and welcome to Gizmo One. Today we have a package which we ordered from MI. So this is a screen protector for Redmi Note 8 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max. And with this we ordered one more screen protector from Amazon. We did not get any kind of packaging here. We just got a normal cover and they promised it's a tempered glass, but it turned out to be like this. Anyways, I have got the refund from Amazon for this. So I request not to go ahead and buy this. Here is my Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. By default it has a normal screen protector which was pre-installed. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and unbox this. In the package we have two screen protector. One is for Note 9 Pro Max, one is for Note 9. This is for the Note 8. This is for the Note 9 Pro Max, as it says here. Let me just, so this is for the Note 9 Pro series. It will be applicable for Note 9, Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max, and this one is applicable for Note 8 Pro. So this is specifically for Note 8 Pro as they have mentioned, but here for the Note 9 Pro series it is mentioned. It's not like applicable only for the Note 9 Max. It can be applicable for Note 9 Pro also. So that includes Pro and Max. So this one we are going to unbox first and see how it looks. So here, this is for the Note 8 Pro. So this is what we get inside the box. We have a case which is protecting the screen protector inside. Let us open this. We do have some instruction manual here how to use it, and this one is made with accessory glass by Corning, and we do have one wet wipe and one dry wipe, and we do have one microfiber cloth. It's not this big cloth, but yeah, it can wipe. And here is the screen protector. Okay, the screen protector is nice. It's an accessory glass, so I hope it's the same glass which we are getting on the phone, or it might be not as good as that, but let's go ahead and check that. This is for Redmi Note 8 Pro. So I don't have a Note 8 Pro with me right now, so once I have applied the screen protector I'll show you how it looks. Let's go ahead and see for the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Here I have for the Note 9 Pro series. It's not for the Max, it's for the series that includes Note 9 and Note 9 Max. Let's go ahead and open this. It's the same packaging. It has a case which is protecting your screen protector. Let's open that and we see the same instructions which is given by Redmi, how you can apply the screen protector. Let me keep that aside. One microfiber cloth, and we have our dry and the wet wipes, and here is our screen protector, and there is nothing else in the box. And here is our screen protector, and let me remind you, it's an accessory glass by Corning, right? It's directly from Corning and it's an accessory glass. It's not from a third party. If I align this properly on my Note 9 Pro Max, it's not completely edge to edge as it shows. There are some gap in between, right? In the sides, you can see, not in the between, on the sides. So to apply the screen protector perfectly, you can either follow your own method or you can go ahead and follow my method. My method is simple. I'll use a wet wipe. Take out the wet wipe and rub it gently over the screen, and all the edges and all the corners, make sure you rub it very gently. And once it is done, take out the dry wipe and wipe the excess liquid which is there on your screen. Just gently go ahead and wipe everywhere. Okay. Once you're sure it is sufficiently wiped and it is looking good and there is no more water or any liquid on the screen, we can install our screen protector. I'm back. I have aligned it perfectly, and I have added some tape here on all the three corners. Normally what I do is I just lift my screen protector a little bit like this, then I'm going to remove this cover and I'm going to let the screen fall down so that it immediately goes down and it sets into place. If you want to go ahead and follow this method, you can do, or else if you have your own method, let us know in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and apply this. Once you're done applying, this is how it looks. It's not completely edge to edge, but there are some gaps all the way across on the top, as you can see. But overall the touch responsiveness is very smooth, it is very nice, and it feels very good. This is how it looks, and it feels very nice in the hand. I have some issues in the bottom. I can see it is not complete. There is some defect with this glass, and here also I try to push it down, but it is not happening. Also here on the top, if you can see here, right here there are some issues. And once I have applied the screen protector on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, I'm going to show you how it looks. But if I compare this screen protector with the one which I have installed, this is how it looks. The height is little less, and also the dewdrop, that is a hole, I mean on the top, you can see it is little smaller, not so big, it's little smaller. Let me just zoom that there. Yeah, this is how it looks. And for the height wise, this is where it stands. There is some gap in the bottom, and the top it looks like this. If you're using this with a case, right, the screen protector, it's perfect. I would say if I have my case, it doesn't come up, right, it doesn't come up. The screen protector, if I have a full edge-to-edge screen protector, you might see like it bulges, or in the sides it gets popped up little bit, and you can see some effects like this. But right now it doesn't, and if I have a screen protector, I don't feel a difference. It's perfect. I don't feel any difference. So this will be the unboxing video of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max screen protector from me directly. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to see more unboxing video like this, please do let us know in the comment section. So until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.